Hello, guys. It's a beautiful day, and this is a beautiful dog. So I'm going to show you how to take a walk for your dog. So the first thing you have to do when you're going to take a walk is you have to get out of your chair. Stand up. Next, you have to look at your dog. Hello, dog. If you have a dog like mine and you tell them what you're going to do, they will get up immediately. Watch. Want to go for a walk? Okay, maybe not immediately, but pretty soon after you say it. Then you go into your cupboard and get a poopy bag. Take the poopy bag and put it into your pocket. Find the leash. Put the leash on your dog's collar. You have to hold on to the leash, otherwise your dog can run all away from you, and then you can't get her. So take the leash. Now stand. You have your dog and your leash, and there's a street. So start with one foot, and then the next one, until you feel like you can go a little faster, like so. And then you can either shorten your step or you can take long steps, which makes you cover the ground but is a bastard on the hamstring. And you just keep going with the dog until you get to the street, and then your doggy will most likely smell a bunch of things. And then pee. Now you're ready to walk. The dog walks with 4 feet, and you just walk with 2. And this is what you do. And the dog pulls you and takes you for a walk sometime. You look straight ahead down the road and you figure, okay, that's enough for me. And you turn around. And the dog says, no, I ain't gonna turn around. I want to smell. I want to smell this thing over here. And you go, no, don't smell it. But she will not budge. Oh, she still wants to go. Okay, so you let her smell. There's no use struggling with the dog, because the dog, she's a strong one. And then you let the dog know who's master. Excuse me, doggy, hello, doggy, where can we go now? Doggy, you let her know who's master. Doggy, come on, please. Please, no. So while she's smelling everything, you can look at the nice leaves. They're very nice. Sometimes they're acorns. And then there's trees, and you can look up the trees, and you can look down and your dog is still smelling. Eventually you have to tell her who is Bass. I am Bass. Hey, she's going to pee again. Look at her pee. She's such a peer. All right, time to go. Let's go. Come on. Come on, I am boss. I am boss. We're going. Come on, I know. You're very excited. Okay, good girl. All right, here we go. Now, she's having a hard time with knowing how to walk. But you, because of this instructional video, know how to walk. You just keep putting your feet in front of the other feet. Well, I made a mistake there. Okay, so normally you will go for a longer walk for around the block for the dog, but now you know. Doggy, doggy, this way, doggy. Which way? Hello. Come here. She doesn't like to listen. She just wants to sit. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, please. Come on, please. No? Come on, please. No? Okay, you want to sit here for a while? Okay. You just stay there. And then you just leave your doggy. The end of the walk normally is taking your dog back to where you started. And you take your feet, which are now slowing down, slowing down, slowing down, and then stopping. And that's how you take a walk.